If you are using the Capcut official app, downloaded from the Play Store on your Android phone, you might face the problem with pro features of the Capcut. While editing your video in the Capcut on Android phone, if you mistakenly use any pro feature in your video, at the very next moment, you will notice the word Pro on the top of your phone. That's why, at the end, you will not be able to export this Capcut video to your device. When you tap on Export, you will see a message saying you are using pro features of the Capcut. Pro features of the Capcut, with their names and pictures that you have used in your video. Just read and note carefully these pro features, go to Edit and delete these Capcut pro features from your video. You can use free features of the Capcut in place of these pro features for your video. Deleting the pro features in your Capcut video, the word Pro will disappear on the top of your Android phone, and likewise the main message, you are using pro features in the Capcut. Now the export process of your Capcut video definitely will be successful. Thanks for watching this video.